Going into the gym without a plan is a bad idea. A lot of people at the gym do bicep workouts that aren't effective or they are just doing them wrong. As a beginner, you should start off with these fundamental workouts. Here are 7 bicep workouts to do at the gym. So hello everyone, this is Omar Army and we are back again with another video titled Best Bicep Workouts for Beginners. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to our first exercise, which is dumbbell curls. One of the most effective bicep workouts all the time. Don't use weights that make you have to sway back and forth too hard. Focus on the contraction instead. Make a good mind-muscle connection to have better results. 3 sets, 24 reps, 1 minute rest. Alternate hands back and forth. And let's move on to the other exercise, which is easy bar curl. This curl is super effective for the width of your biceps. It triggers the head of the bicep that has to do more with the mass than height, which is none other than our brachialis. Again, you really don't want to sway with this exercise. 5 sets of 12 to 15 reps with 30-second rest. And then move on to other exercise, which is incline seated dumbbell curl. You will feel the burn with this one. It isolates your biceps to work alone. This exercise triggers the head of the bicep that has to do with width. Make sure you consistently keep your shoulder blades pressed on the seat. Do 5 sets, 3 of the sets is equal to 12 reps double-handed, 2 of the sets which are single-handed with 24 reps, and with 1 minute rest. Now, straight bar curl. This will force your biceps to be put in a supinated position. Supinated, turning of the palm so it is facing upward or outward. A supinated position allows full flex of the bicep during a curl. It also targets few parts of the forearms, so you will have better arm results. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps with 30-second rest. Then move on to our next and very effective exercise, which is cable curl. Cables and bands allow a greater tension on the bicep. This causes a better stretch for growing the muscle. You can do single arm and double arm for max results. If you are a beginner, you must do cable curls. Do 3 sets for 12 to 15 reps with 30-second rest. Next exercise, hammer curls. Hammer curls are great for mass and hitting small areas of the muscle that other exercises don't. Going too heavy makes people use their back instead of their biceps on this one. Make sure you are controlling the weight on the way up and down. Do 3 sets of 24 reps with 1 minute rest. Alternate hands back and forth. Now let's move on to our last and the most effective mentioned exercise ever, which is preacher curls. Very hard but highly effective. These curls isolate your biceps like no other exercises. You can do these with dumbbells or even with a bar. Make sure you're not hurting your back with this one, as too heavy of weight makes you want to pull with your entire body. Do 5 sets, 3 sets of 12 reps double-handed and 2 sets of single-handed 24 reps with 1 minute rest. You have to pick 3 or 4 of these bicep workouts and use them the next time you're at the gym. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next video.